Well, so we're checking out all kinds of different things. This is Angel's Flight. Angel's Flight, and across the street over here is the Grand Central Market. But Angel's Flight here, this is I think the second or the third spot for Angel's Flight. It's called a funicular. It used to be because LA had Bunker Hill and things like that, because there's all these hills all over the place. And this is one of the ways for people to get up and down from Bunker Hill, essentially. So it still works. I mean, they had it closed for a while because somebody died in an accident, unfortunately. But now it works. Use your tap card. Otherwise, you can just pay. It's $1.50 with your tap card. And it's just kind of a cool thing. You can ride up. When you get up to the top, actually, you can see over here. Right there, there's a bench up there. That's from the movie 500 Days of Summer. So that's a neat thing to do, and filming location all at the same time. All right, so the noise you're about to experience is the Grand Central Market. This is what it's like. It's not even busy today, and this is what it's like. But it's just an interesting place. There's a lot going on here. Yeah, so we're going to go through here and check it out. There's some pictures we're going to be getting, but if you haven't, you need to. It's everything. So everything. Again, no, not me, stupid. Everything. There you go. See, all along here. This place has it all. It really does have it all. The hardest part, one of the first times I came here, the hardest part was me finding just a plain hot dog. As weird as that sounds, but I certainly wanted to find a hot dog. And eventually I found one. But otherwise, you know, the ABCs of eating, I've never seen anything around here that was not worth eating at. They're all wonderful around here. Food. Everything here. Gummy pizza slices. Shallow cherries. Gummy crocodiles. All kinds of stuff. I'm going to look for something specific here. I'll see if they have it. I don't see it. So we'll see what happens here. I'm in the Bradbury building, which you may have heard of, you may have not heard of. There's one way in. You've seen it in all kinds of movies and things like that. It's just an incredible building. It's one of those places that you've seen so many times, but then once you actually get here, you just freak out over it because it's so amazing to see. It's not open all the time. You have a chance. You can't go any further past this. No professional photography cameras, that kind of stuff. It's not supposed to. But you've seen this in all kinds of movies and things like that. It's just wonderful. And it's, again, architecturally speaking, this is, if ever there was they don't make them like this anymore, this is one of them. That's what most people recognize.